Hello and welcome to the UkeStuff channel, and welcome to this tutorial video for Jamaican Farewell. This is the version by Irving Burgie, who was also known as Lord Burgess, and he just recently passed away. When I'm making this video, it is December 8th, 2019, and he passed away on November 29th. And Lord Burgess, or Irving Burgie, had made, I think, 34 different hits with Harry Belafonte and really brought the Calypso movement to the United States in the 1950s. So this song is in honor of his life, and I noticed that there wasn't a play along of the song, so I decided to create it. Now, a couple of words of note. First of all, in the song, he does refer to his love as a little girl in Jamaica. I don't think that's meant literally, so I'm just going to leave that out there. And the other thing I just want to warn teachers about in particular is there is one mention about rum being available all year. I think you can do it, but nonetheless, I just want to bring that out ahead of time. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the chords you need to play and the strumming that you need to do. So the good news is that this is about as basic as you can get on GCEA ukulele, but unfortunately with baritone you do have the F chord, and we'll talk about that. Now, as a reminder, in the descriptions below, you can jump to any part of the video, so you can jump to GCEA Chords, DGBE Chords, or the tutorials, and you can download or view the chord charts, what people call tabs, but they're not really tabs, but you can download the chord charts of this song at ukestuff.info. There'll be links in the description below, or you should be able to search for it at ukestuff. So let's begin with looking at the chords for GCEA ukulele. I always like to show you the ukulele that I'm using, and it's unbranded. This is a Bruce Wee or Y ukulele that I bought a couple years ago. It is solid acacia. It is concert scale, and basically Bruce makes bargain basement price custom ukuleles, and this has been nothing but wonderful. I don't play it a whole lot. I do keep it humidified, but I haven't had any problems with splitting or anything. It's got a really sweet tone, but it's not loud. It's not in your face. It's got a lot of nice little things, and I love the look. Being a classical musician myself, I love the look of these classical F-holes on the front. So that's the ukulele that I'll be using for this video today. So on GCEA ukulele, you need 3 chords and 3 chords only. The first one is the C chord. The second one is the F chord. And the third one is the G chord. Those are the chords you need for this song on GCEA ukulele. Now let's take a look at the chords you need on baritone ukulele, and for this video, and like most of my others, I'm playing my mainland baritone with a cedar top, rosewood back and sides. The first chord you need is the C chord. The second chord, and really the only challenge, but it is a challenge. They say that on guitar, a lot of people quit when they hit the F chord. Well, on baritone, the F chord is the same as it is on guitar, same first 4 strings. First finger is going to cover up strings 1 and 2, and you're going to pull the ukulele against you a little bit. And if you just pull against it, you should be able to stop the sound from that metal fret just with gravity to get a clear sound, and then you can add the other 2 fingers. That's your F chord. And then the other chord that you need is the G chord. Pretty standard on baritone ukulele. Now, as it comes to strumming, I think the answer here is the island strum. The island strum is just simply down, down, up, down, up. What makes it hard for people is if they don't keep their hand moving, they end up freezing, and then you've got to jump around. So really, remember, every strumming pattern, your hand almost always keeps going up and down. It's like that bird that dips its nose in the glass of water. Have you ever seen one of those toys? I need to buy one of those toys and use it in the video as an example. But your hand just keeps going up and down. And again, I always play with my first finger, although you can use your thumb. You can use more than one finger. You can use a pick. Generally, I encourage a felt or a leather pick. But that hand just keeps going up and down. And then, if I'm just going to play the chords here, and I'm not going to be in tempo, but you would go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And if you notice, my hand never stops moving. I just miss the strings. So it's down, miss, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down. And that's how that whole thing works. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. To the F, to the G, back to the C. And I think that island strum is going to work really well for you. It's not reggae, so you don't really have to worry about muting the strings. Just that standard island strum is going to work really well for the song. And believe it or not, that's it for Jamaican Farewell. 3 chords, island strum, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching the video. We'll have more content for you in the future. Don't forget you can find the song at ukutabs.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.